Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Mean Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to delete the created label on your Google Keep PC on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to delete the label on your Google Keep on your PC or computer, just going to show in this video. To delete the label, you have to click, you can see here there's a label. If you just want to remove a label from a particular node, click here. You have this X mark here, just click this and the label has been removed. If you just need to delete a label completely, just go to the label first, and here you can see here you have all the label related to the label you have noted. You click on the edit label first, and here you have this pencil symbol. Click on this to rename it this, and you have this option called delete label. Click this and will delete this label and remove it from all your keep notes, and your note won't be deleted. So this will delete that label only and not the notes. It will be delete the category and just deleted, and it's just going to delete this too. So you can see the label has been removed. This is how you just delete the label on your Google Keep on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Mean Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.